Hi, I'm Chris Allen, and I've spent the last few days putting together my son's car's bed, which you can see here, which I'm really happy with how it turned out. A lot of people looked at this on Amazon and wondered, is this for me? Do I want to buy this? I was scared after reading the comments about the stickers. The stickers are a challenge, but I think if you have the time and the patience, you can make it work. You just have to really be careful, line them up. And I'm going to try something else with it, which is cover it with Mod Podge, which apparently will seal the stickers because they do come up in a lot of spots, which as your kid climbs on the bed is going to become more and more of an issue. So let's take a little look at the car bed, and then I'll show you a little bit about how we built it. So as you can see, it's got the classic Lightning McQueen eyes, mouth. This is the toy box portion of it, which opens up just to the floor. Actually, there's no actual toy box when it's in the toddler bed mode. When you pull it off, it does become, you can take it out and build the box with a few extra pieces. There's the stickers, a bit of a close-up look at some of the stickers, and you can see there's even, there's a little bit of bubbling happening here and there. A couple edges which I want to seal with this Mod Podge stuff to make it. The biggest challenge with some of these stickers is you're going around corners, kind of curved parts of the sticker, and it's a straight sticker, so it doesn't like that so much. The World Grand Prix part is another little tricky spot there, but it's great. My kid loves it so far, Zavier, and he's lined up his cars in the car's bed already, as you can see, so that's kind of funny. Yeah, so we're pretty great. We're happy with it, and we're going to keep making it better. And I hope you enjoy this little video we made of us putting it all together. Could be something pretty cool, I think, right? We better take our shoes off. It looks pretty big. Is it bigger than you thought it was going to be? Let's see what it is. Let's turn some lights on in here. Whoa. It's so big. What could it be? What could it be? Well, look. Maybe if we look around this side, we might see more. Is there something? Whoa. Who's that on there?
Lightning McQueen.
That's a pretty big Lightning McQueen.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Lightning McQueen bed.
Is that a Lightning McQueen bed?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What else?
It's so big, right?
What else is it?
It's a Lightning McQueen bed.
I don't know what else.
And something else? No, that's all it is. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
There's just something else.
What was the toy box part of it?
Okay.
And a head. Is it pretty exciting though? Let me see your excitement. Go woohoo!
Woo!
Okay. Are you pulling it? What's in here?
What's in here?
Whoa.
This piece?
Look at all these pieces. Is that a spoiler or something maybe?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. What do we got?
This.
What is that? There's all different parts of Lightning, right? Look at the wheels. Does that look pretty cool? Look at those wheels in there. Man. It's got a steering wheel? Or, yeah, I think that's a steering wheel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. That's a spoiler for sure. That's a spoiler. Look at that spoiler. You see this one? That one's a spoiler.
This?
Yeah, that's a spoiler. There's a lot of pieces in here, isn't there?
Get this one back.
Let's see here. Turn it maybe this way. Your headlamp went out again? I think it's got no power left in it.
No.
The thing needs a lot of power. Or did you turn? Whoa, that's great.
I turned it up.
Oh, it's pretty bright. What you doing? What do you think of your new bed, mister? Does it look like Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Is it? Where are you gonna sleep though?
I'm gonna put on the seats.
Where did Zavier go? Where did Zavier go? Are you in there? Boo! Well, that was a pretty stressful experience, but we got her built. The car's bed is totally built now. Stickers are on it. I put it on one side only at this point, but it does look as advertised. Pretty damn cool. The stickers, you can see if you get up close on the details, there are bubbles forming already. Some of these curves are just not designed for straight stickers very well. But it's all pretty good. It's pretty good, really. Looks like lightning. I have to fix a couple spots up. So this is what I've been told is a good thing to use for this, which is Mod Podge, which is a glue that you can apply over top of stickers, which will hold them in place. This is a spot I want to try it on because already my son's been climbing on the bed, and that's causing the stickers to peel. So it's just a glue, like a white looking glue, just like a normal kind of kids glue from school. I'm just going to put a little bit on here. And I'm told you can sort of seal it. I bought a sponge brush, and it's might be a little big for this container, but apparently that's one of the good ways to apply this. And if you apply it, you can sort of glue it down, and it'll dry in a clear, matte kind of look to it, so it won't be noticeable when it dries. So I'm just going to try a little bit and then let it sit for about 20 minutes and see what the actual look of it is after doing that. So, as you can see, I've come back about 15-20 minutes later, and Zavier's playing on his bed. And this glue does dry very, very clear. You can't see any of the Mod Podge. It dries perfectly. As far as the stick, well, I think I should probably have applied a bit more. I was being a bit gun shy, but I'm going to put more on, and I think it'll hold all the stickers in place pretty nice. Zavier, do you like your new car's bed?
I do.
Yeah. Is it pretty fun to climb on?
Yeah.
What kind of tricks can you do on it?
I know.
What? Let's see. Well, that's a cool trick. I like that. Is it possible to hide inside?
Yeah.
In the engine?
Uh-huh.
Can I see that? Where is the engine?
Here.
Oh. But you can go in there? Kids can go in? Oh, wow. Where are you? Hey, what? Oh no!